In this video, I'll show you how you can hide columns on your Excel file. Now first guys, you're going to open up Excel and find a file that you want to hide a column on. Now from in here, as you can see, I have two columns right here, my B and C. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the letter right here to select this whole column. Next, I'm going to hold down Control and click on another one. As you can see, I have now selected the two columns. What I'm going to do now is right click on any of those and press hide. As you can see, the two columns are now hidden. Now the way that you can get them back is by holding down Control, zooming in, and right when your cursor changes here between, you can double click and you will open them up just like that. That's basically how you can do it. You can also, let's say you hide this one, you can press Ctrl C on your keyboard, the Z, and you will go back. That's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.